How to select data range for Excel charts. Have you ever wondered how to choose the right data range for your charts in Excel? Selecting the correct data is essential for creating effective visualizations. Let's break down the steps to make this process simple and straightforward. First, start by highlighting the cells that contain the data you want to visualize. This can be a continuous block of cells or even multiple non-adjacent ranges. However, it's best if your selection forms a rectangular area. This helps Excel create the chart accurately. Once you have selected your data, go to the Insert tab and choose the type of chart you want to create. Excel will automatically use your selected range as the source for the chart. It's a quick and easy way to get started with visualizing your data. If you find that you need to change the data range after creating your chart, don't worry. You can easily do this by using the Select Data option found on the Chart Design Contextual tab. This will open a dialog box where you can edit the data range, add or remove data series, or adjust the horizontal axis labels. This feature allows you to redefine which cells the chart references without having to start over. When selecting data for your charts, it's important to arrange your data properly. For most chart types, it works best if your data is organized in columns or rows, with labels in the first column or row. For XY scatter or bubble charts, make sure to place your X values in one column and your Y values in the adjacent column. If you are using bubble charts, you will also need a third column for bubble size. If you want to exclude certain rows or columns from your chart without changing the data range, you can simply hide those rows or columns in your worksheet. Alternatively, you can apply chart filters after the chart is created to control what appears in your visualization. In summary, selecting the data range involves highlighting the desired data cells before inserting the chart. You can also use the Select Data option on an existing chart to modify the data range or series. Ensure your data is arranged in a way that matches the chart type for accurate representation. And remember, you can hide data or apply filters to control what appears in the chart without changing the data range. This method allows you to create dynamic and accurate charts that update automatically when the underlying data changes, making your data visualization efforts more effective.